So today I wanted to talk about a couple observations and how they're going to impact both Europe and the United States during rolling blackouts. As part of the hurricane, we got a lot of wind and we got a lot of rain, but in some areas power was out between 4 and 8 hours. And in that time span, all the refrigerated and frozen material in stores was destroyed. So it had to all be thrown away. And even today, they're still throwing that stuff away. Now, that leads us to the important thing. So in Europe, we know they're going to have rolling blackouts. In the United States, in some areas, depending on the fuel, they will have rolling blackouts in the U.S. in order to conserve power. Now, what this brings us to is the fact that most stores do not have generator capacity. So as a result of this, having rolling blackouts will impact the ability of stores to carry perishable goods. So what we can expect, especially in rural areas, is stores that do not have generators, and the generators have to be very large size in order to handle refrigeration. So a result of that, not many stores are actually going to be able to carry refrigerated and frozen goods. Because if we're having all these rolling blackouts, they're just not going to stock the material because they can't keep it in a state where it's serviceable and can be sold. So right now you should be planning contingencies for your own refrigeration, as well as the lack of ability to buy refrigerated material in your local area. So that's something that nobody's talked about. Please keep that in mind. Share your comments. We'll see you on the next video.